Understand also, sir, for this real estate revenue for 1,000 crores that you're estimating in the next financial year, what is it that you hope to do in terms of sales in FY10?
Well, you would be happy to know that as far as our real estate is concerned, it is a very unique case. It is part of infrastructure project. It is real estate which is always along the expressway, and we have been able to sell almost 5 million square feet of real estate in last about 15 months, 5 million. And I'm also happy to tell you that work on the construction work is going on in full swing, and our estimate is that this financial year, April 9 to March 10, we will be able to sell at least 6 million square feet, and that is something we feel on a conservative basis we will do it. We may exceed that. This is our plan.
Any dilution of equity you envisage, Manoj, over the next 4 quarters? I mean, there was talk of a rights issue earlier. Anything you need to do to raise equity to partially alleviate the kind of debt that you're carrying?
Well, Udin, look, the point is, as you know, through the High Court route, about 4 subsidiaries are getting amalgamated into jail. So that is, on that front, I must say that that is, the process is on, where shareholder approval, creditor approval, lender approval, all have been obtained, and Honorable High Court of Allahabad would take decision. We hope it takes soon. We would be able to assess the timing of or whether at all we have to go for right issue after that only.
Little unclear about what your interest burden would be for next year, which is why I'm asking you this question again, Manoj. On that EBITDA level of 3 to 3,500 crores, what kind of an interest servicing do you need to do? Just needed to drill it back to the earnings per share. Would it be something like 1,500 crores earnings that you can, at the net level, that you will be able to declare, which would be close to 12 rupees plus earnings per share? Is that likely?
Well, in my opinion, our belief is that earning per share would be definitely not less than 11 to 12.5, because as you know, some business, every business is dependent upon the type of realization it can get, and cement is one such very important business. Real estate is also. So yes, that type of earning per share is definitely going to be achievable.
And for the cement division, Mr. Gaur, you've indicated that you're going to bring up sales all the way to 14 million tons. What are you working with in terms of a price range? Because these past 2 quarters have seen an improvement in cement prices as well per bag.
Well, I don't know whether you could analyze those numbers of cement division for our company, but but for the entire year, I'm happy to say that EBITDA per ton is amongst the best in the industry. And that is because the cement production facility which have come into operation, almost 4.5 million ton got operationalized in last about 8 weeks, and now the entire new capacity also is having captive thermal power plant, so that way helping the cost of production. But added to this is a very important fact is that the market is witnessing a reasonable stable price regime, and that is important to maintain a reasonable level of comfort in the working. As far as the production volume in the FY10 is concerned, we have assumed for that the top line of almost 6,500 crores, 6,000 crores from cement, which would come from about 13.5 or 14 million ton, and that is a capacity which already has been commissioned as on March 9. And this is in different zones of the country. So we hope that price, we have assumed the same price line which we have been able to get for the FY9. We have assumed same price line for FY10 also at this volume.
I just want to reconfirm, Mr. Gaur, for FY9, the financial year just closed up, you've closed with an EPS of 7.4 per share. That is correct?
Yes.
That's a big jump for the next year, FY10. At this point, you see that much visibility, Mr. Gaur, across all three verticals to deliver 12.5 rupees a share?
Hello, are you getting me?
We can hear you, sir. Go ahead.
Yes. Well, that is something which this organization is all about. We have been in right area of business. We have learned over the years the virtue of being efficient, and we will try to exceed the expectation of all stakeholders. And I hope and wish the country would elect a good government. A good government would look into the infrastructure sector, and this company would do well and also reward the shareholders.
You don't see a problem, Manoj, of that 14 million tons of cement getting absorbed next year? You think it will be done easily?
Well, Udayanji, I will definitely say that yes, 14 million ton will get absorbed easily, not because I have to make a pitch for it, but because country requires that type of cement, and definitely when we have cement getting consumed in a country as large as India, different zones are there. New capacity has come in North Zone, in UP, in Gujarat. So I am very, very confident that this capacity will get consumed, and this performance we will achieve.
We wish you luck, Mr. Gaur. We appreciate you joining us today. That's JP Associates with their numbers. More importantly, with their guidance. That's chest table thumping.